very warm welcome to the Allianz Arena in Munich. Germany against Bosnia. John Champion here, and this, the voice of Jim Begley.
Yeah, thanks, John. What a brilliant atmosphere we've got in this stadium today. I mean, both sets of players must be really looking forward to this, as we are.
A real tussle for the ball. Toni Kroos. And the ball's out of play. Well beaten to the ball there. This goes for a throw-in. Showing some good skills, but ultimately unsuccessful.
Well, we were unlikely to see a goal then because there were so many players crowding out that danger area. I think something very special is going to be needed.
Admittedly, it's early, but this game hasn't exactly sparked into life yet. Bosnia yet to have a shot on target. Toni Kroos. The play it goes for a throw. Long ball forward. On his own. Good ball, right down the middle. Hits it. He created a great chance there.
Yeah, and that was all about the through ball. Great control, and the weight was perfect.
A stern challenge coming in. Mertesacker. Mats Hummels. 30 minutes on the clock in the first half. A goal now would certainly liven things up. Checo. Restarts with a throw-in. That looked a foul, and the referee's given it. That was certainly struck well enough.
Well, that may have caused the keeper some real problems had it stayed on target. Got lucky then.
And there is half-time. So, it's 0-0. Let's hope for a goal or two in the second half. So, the second half gets underway. The ball's with Müller. He's going on his own. Some dangerous moments, but he was there to intervene. Both sides fiercely contesting the ball. Schweinsteiger. Here's Müller. If you've just come back to us, you'll be glad to know it's still 0-0. You've missed nothing. I think it's fair to say that defences have been on top so far in this fixture. It'll delight the coaches, if not all of the spectators. Germany with a big chance and a big miss. a throw-in. The opposition posing a few questions, but he's able to intercept. Through on his own, surely he's in. That was a super ball in, but no success.
It almost looked like a perfect marriage, the way the long pass was delivered so exactly into the runner's path, and it's a shame it led to nothing.
Kedira. Danger averted for the time being. There's plenty of activity down by the touchline. Looks like we're going to get a substitution.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
Tony Cruz. Jerome Boateng.
It's all very neat football, but time is against them now, and they need to get the ball forward.
Bosnia have got possession back. Bosnia needed in the box and quickly. The goalkeeper's dealt with it. Here's Dzeko. He's bursting forward, and he's done it!
And you can't but admire that from a player from whom we expect to come to the fore at crucial moments. Doing it, however, is another matter, and his influence just grows and grows.
It just couldn't have been placed any better. They have their lead now, but can they hold out for these last few minutes? There's the final whistle. This could be put down as a victory for a set of defenders who all kept their focus for the full 90 minutes.